Everyone. Just going to do a video in the evening of the garden to see what it looks like. Show you some of our lights. We are supposed to get quite a bit of rain tonight and possibly large hail, which would absolutely probably obliterate the garden. But you know, we'll deal with whatever comes about. I don't know how well you'll be able to see this, but might be walking too fast. Might be able to see some bugs flying around. Hopefully we will not see any animals. If we do, you will be quite entertained with my reaction. I don't know what you can see here. But you can hear the frogs. And the creek. I don't think I'm going to go as far back as the creek. That might be more adventure than I'm in for tonight. I don't know. I can't see exactly what you're seeing. If you can see me, this is after working in the yard all day. Fuzzy, humid hair. Had a shower and I might need another one. It's very, 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 very humid. Our light, the back of the shed will probably come on, so that might help. There it goes. There's nothing already out here rooting around. I think the cast iron plants look better than they did this morning. Okay, as long as we don't see any bobcats or coyotes. Let's see. Mowed the creek, took video of that. Trees are gorgeous in the lights. These are our Govee lights. They are more cost effective than the professional metal lights that we could purchase. But last February, coyotes. There was a set of 4. I think they were all young. They destroyed our electrical wiring. Before you ask, we have it on video. And our drip irrigation, they pulled it out of that far bed. They dug it up, and it was quite crazy. So this is the flower bed at night. Hopefully you can see our patio. Here's my chair. We'll turn on the fire pit and the table, but that'll be in another video. It's quite warm. So yeah, tonight we're supposed to get storms. Could have baseball size hail. I don't know. A lot of the storms lately have just split and missed us, but if we do get flooding, could make things a little mushy. But it's gorgeous. I'm just thankful I have video of it in the event it does flood. Love my little fairy lights here on the fence. There's flower beds. Hydrangeas. Everything looks pretty good. I know it's thirsty, maybe a little bit thirsty, but they're not drooping yet. Anyway, thanks for joining me this evening on an evening nighttime walk. We'll see you next time.